Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. Be alone until you're valued. Take care of your body. Remember, health is another form of wealth. If you can make a girl laugh, you can make her do anything. Hard times will always reveal true friends. Better days are coming. You won't always wake up in the morning with a heavy heart. Your strongest muscle and worst enemy is your mind. Train it well. Don't react. Cut them off silently. Someone else's progress doesn't make yours any less. Don't ever let the same people disappoint you twice.